So you've seen the case study. It's all laid out below. The idea of the new website, to getting the content, to buying the domain, to getting the login details, releasing the website and getting it ranked in just over a week, so around 12 days. For those of you that are interested in doing this yourself and finding out how it's done, I've got a special offer for you. Underneath this case study, there will be a link to this page. Now, this is going to be a live workshop that I will be hosting, and it's how to rank any website on Google first page in 1 month or less. I guarantee the rankings. It's if you don't rank your website, if you do everything I do on the workshop, there's got to be a live workshop. I'll be going through it with you, and I'll be building out a website with you. I'll show you how to choose the keywords you need, where you should put the keywords to get the most impact. Now, I'm limiting this to 10 people. Basically, this is a beta test, so the price is reduced at the minute because I want to put this out there. I want to get feedback, and I will be making this into an evergreen course for visitors to my website. So if you're someone, you've tried to build a website before, you've been totally confused, you just didn't know what keywords to put where, what titles, what struct, then this is for you. This will give you total clarity. If you've had a website before and it didn't rank, it didn't bring in any traffic, didn't bring in any sales, and you just don't know why. Could have been that Google sandboxed you, could have been the wrong structure, it could have been the wrong keyword. This is for you. This is going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to show you how to choose the best keywords, where to put them in your content to guarantee your rank. If you're just getting started in business and you need a website, this training is for you. Like I said, it's a live training. You can ask me anything. And if you apply for this course, you go through the live beta version. I've got to stress that. Have to go through the live beta version, and you will get a free 30-minute or 40-minute chat with me where I'll share my screen, I'll go through your website, I'll tell you what you're doing wrong, why you're not getting traffic, and put you on a roadmap to correct those errors. If you're just looking to revamp or rebuild your existing website, we will be building a website together on this workshop. So again, attend the live training because you're going to want to see this. This is using the easiest software on the planet to build a website. And no, it's not Wix. Yes, it's not ClickFunnels. There are two particular WordPress themes that I recommend, and I will show you them both. You can choose which ones you want, but they guarantee lightning fast load times for your pages, which is critical if you want to rank well in Google. Google does not want people sitting there on their phones waiting to get an answer. It will only rank websites that are quick to load. If you're wanting to start a web design agency, do it properly, do it from the ground up, get the basics in there. Every website you build following this structure and these techniques will rank in Google straight away. Imagine the reviews you're going to have for that. So what are the key takeaways on this? What is it that you're actually going to learn? How to choose the best keyword for your given search terms, for your ideal customer, how to optimize your media and images with hidden data that Google can see. Google knows where an image was taken. All that information is hidden away inside your image files, and I'm going to show you how to edit these files and hack the data that's hidden inside of your images to tell Google this was a picture of my keyword taken at the location I want to rank. We're going to put that into all your images, so your website will not be seen as over-optimized because this information is hidden. You're not keyword stuffing. This information is only visible to Google and other search engines. So where to use your best keywords in your page copy and your content, your text, your image alt tags, your headlines, your titles, your footer text, and how to structure that content so Google knows exactly what that content is. It's not just text saying my business address is so-and-so. It's structured data. Google understands it and it knows exactly where your business is, what it's about, and it ranks you for it. It ranks you fast, as you can see. 12 days to get a first page ranking. We're going to show you how and where to use links in your content so that the word flow is natural, but Google follows these links and indexes all of the pages on your website so they all start to rank. All of your keywords will start to rank because you've designed your website in such a way that each page has its own specific purpose. That's how we're going to put links inside your content. Number one, it will make a far better user experience. I'm going to show you where to build your first external links and how to avoid the sandbox. Like I said, you do not want to be put in the little kiddies playpen. You want to be able to get out there, rank your website, and get it ranked in a month. Get it out to the public. Start driving traffic. Start making sales. Start earning money. So we're going to show you exactly how to get straight to page one. Now, like I said, this is a beta edition course made for fast action takers. These bonuses only apply to the first 10 people. Why? Because I don't want 30 people on the very first live all asking me questions saying, what about this keyword? What about this image? Is that good enough? So, like I said, this is a live training. I will be building out a website along with you. We'll be going at your pace. I'm going to show you the easiest software to do it. That's how we're going to go. We're going to guarantee you success on this. On top of the live training, you're going to get a 40-minute strategy call with me. So I will actually go through and share my screen while I'm analysing the structure of your website, the content of your website, the keywords you've used, the internal link, so that you know you're not sitting there wondering and waiting if this is going to work. You will know from my 15 years of expertise, 15 years of being ranked number one for Kent SEO Expert, you will know whether or not your website is going to rank, because I'm going to review it for you. I'm going to audit it for you. Bonus number 2, how to become omnipresent. Omnipresence means you're everywhere. Everywhere your customer look, you're there. You will have a branded omnipresent all over the internet. Now, this is where 99% of all businesses fail. They think that it's too soon to be building backlinks, but there's a secret sauce that Google is actually looking for. And without it, you're just going to get stuck where you are for weeks, sometimes even months, because Google will put you in the sandbox. You need this. You need this. 99% of businesses never apply this technique. And this is why they struggle so much. And it's when you actually understand it, it's such a no-brainer. Every business should have this, but 99% of them fail on this. They as soon as you tell them, the light bulb goes off, bing, and they're like, of course, why didn't I think of that? But they don't. Nobody thinks of this. Also, bonus number 3, I'm going to show you how to get all of your links built for you almost overnight. Literally, you tell people, you give them a bio of what your website's about, but you can have up to 350 links all built out for you, all pointing back to your website. And these are links that Google loves. Google's looking for this. This really is the secret sauce to get you from nowhere to up there. Google sees you as a real business. And no, you can't get this service on Fiverr. And none of the big SEO tools providers provide this service either. You'll be amazed when I show you how to get this. You just type in one keyword, one search term, and you will get a list of everything you need. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that on the live webinar. So the price for the live webinar right now will be shown below this video on the application page, not underneath this case study. You've seen the case study. You know I can do what I'm saying I can do. Why should you believe me? Do a search. Do a search for Darren Boyle, SEO Expert. See where I come up. Do a search for Kent SEO Expert. You will see me. I'm there. Yes, so I do walk the walk, and I just talk the talk. So click the apply for live workshop button now. Once I get 10 people in the door, I will set a date for the workshop. I don't expect this to take very long. I've got 2,500 people on Facebook that will follow me, and pretty much the same on LinkedIn. So, and that's without my email list. So, yes, this will fill up quickly. Get in there. Apply for the live workshop. I will send you an email, more details about it, and the purchase link. Once you've purchased, that's it. You've locked in your place. You will definitely be guaranteed a seat at the live event where you can ask me questions. We're going to be going through it together, and I'm going to guarantee your success. because I will jump on the phone with you after the workshop and make sure that everything is going well. Make sure that all your ducks are aligned and you're heading in the right direction for success. So you've got two options. Spend hours sitting in front of YouTube trying to work out how to do this yourself. Pay an SEO expert like myself £1,000 plus to build you an SEO website, a website that's guaranteed to rank in the searches in the first month. A money back guarantee. That's how confident I am. I do it over and over again. Or the last option, click the apply for the live workshop button now below this video and I'll see you in there. Like I said, look out for my emails and let's show you how to build a website. Number one, you can be proud of. Number two, you can guarantee it's going to get found in the searches and bring in traffic. Number three, it's a skill. You can take this skill anywhere. And you can offer it to other customers. I charge well over £1,000 for an SEO optimized website, and I can knock that out in not very long at all. I always say 2 weeks because there's a lot of back and forth trying to get content and media from customers, but I can do this. So hit the button now, and I'll see you on the live workshop. Have a great day.